Camping is an exciting adventure that allows you to reconnect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. However, to ensure you have an enjoyable and hassle-free experience, it's essential to pack the right gadgets and tools. From lighting solutions and multi-tools to portable cooking systems and comfortable seating, here are 20 camping gadgets that can enhance your outdoor experience, and we'll explore each in detail. 1. Otellin Portable LED Camping Lantern. The Otellin Portable LED Camping Lantern is a must-have for campers seeking both light and comfort. This versatile 2-in-1 gadget provides bright LED lighting to illuminate your campsite while also featuring a built-in ceiling fan with 2 adjustable speeds. The fan provides a cool breeze, ensuring your tent remains well ventilated and comfortable. It's powered by batteries, making it highly portable and can run for up to 37 hours on the low light setting. 2. AlphaBeing Inflatable Lounger. For those who want a comfortable place to relax at the campsite, the AlphaBeing Inflatable Lounger is the perfect choice. This lounger is designed for ultimate relaxation, whether you're at a campsite, the beach, or even in your backyard. It inflates quickly and doesn't require a pump. Once deflated, it folds compactly into a carrying bag, making it highly portable. The lounger is made from durable materials that withstand wear and tear, and it includes stakes to secure it on windy days. Whether you're lounging under the sun or by the fire at night, this inflatable chair is a luxurious addition to your outdoor gear. 3. Hamil Light Camping String Lights. Setting up a cozy and magical atmosphere at your campsite can elevate the experience, and the Hamil Light Camping String Lights are perfect for doing just that. These battery-powered string lights are designed to provide warm, ambient lighting that creates a festive and inviting environment. Lightweight and easy to hang, they can be strung up around your tent, canopy, or any outdoor space. 4. Wacaco Minipresso GR. For coffee lovers, camping doesn't have to mean sacrificing a good cup of espresso. The Wacaco Minipresso GR is a portable espresso maker that lets you brew fresh, high-quality coffee in the wilderness. This compact and manual espresso maker works with ground coffee beans and hot water, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverage wherever you are. Its lightweight design makes it easy to pack and requires no electricity, making it perfect for campers who crave a fresh cup of coffee in the morning. 5. Collapsible 5-gallon water bucket. Staying hydrated while camping is crucial, and the collapsible 5-gallon water bucket makes it easy to carry and store water. Made from sturdy and leak-proof tarpaulin, this bucket is ideal for a variety of outdoor activities, including cooking, cleaning, and washing. When not in use, the bucket collapses into a compact size, making it easy to transport. Its soft grip handle ensures comfortable carrying, and with a 5-gallon capacity, it's a practical solution for managing your water supply while camping. 6. Pocket-sized 12-function multi-tool. No camping trip is complete without a reliable multi-tool, and the pocket-sized 12-function multi-tool offers everything you need in one compact device. This handy tool features 12 essential functions, including a hammer, pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, and a bottle opener. It's made from stainless steel, ensuring durability, and its lightweight design makes it easy to carry. 7. Lightweight Folding Camping Table. The lightweight folding camping table is an excellent addition to your camping setup, providing a sturdy and portable surface for meals, games, or camp tasks. Weighing just 2 pounds, this table folds into a compact size for easy transport and storage. It has a weight capacity of up to 66 pounds, making it strong enough to hold your camping gear or food supplies. 8. UST Tool Along Multi-Tool Carabiner. For campers who want a multifunctional tool that's always within reach, the UST Tool Along Multi-Tool Carabiner is a great option. This tool combines essential functions like a wrench, screwdriver, and bottle opener into a carabiner, which can easily attach to your backpack or belt. 9. LCFUN Waterproof Lighter. A reliable lighter is essential for starting campfires, and the LCFUN Waterproof Lighter is built to withstand the elements. This USB rechargeable lighter is waterproof and windproof, ensuring it works even in adverse weather conditions. 10. SUSE Electric Lighter Arc. The SUSE Electric Lighter Arc is a sleek and innovative lighter that uses electric arc ignition instead of traditional butane. It's windproof and rechargeable, ensuring you can start campfires, grills, or candles with ease. 11th, Kira Handsaw woodworking hand tool for campers who enjoy DIY projects or need to perform minor woodworking tasks. The Kira Handsaw woodworking hand tool is a dependable solution. This handsaw features a sharp blade and an ergonomic handle for precision cutting, whether you're trimming branches for firewood or crafting something on site. 12. Fly 2 Sky Tent Lamp. Lighting up your tent has never been easier with the Fly 2 Sky Tent Lamp. This compact, lightweight LED lamp offers both bright white light and a warm yellow glow, depending on your needs. It's perfect for reading in your tent or creating a relaxing ambiance around the campsite. 13th, Godsax Rocket Stove. For those who prefer cooking with natural resources, the Godsax Rocket Stove is a compact and efficient backpacking stove that uses twigs and branches as fuel. Its innovative design promotes efficient combustion, providing a powerful heat source for boiling water or cooking meals. 14. Fairwind Oversized Fully Padded Camping Chair. Relaxing after a long day of hiking or exploring is important, and the Fairwind Oversized Fully Padded Camping Chair offers ultimate comfort. This chair is fully padded and features an oversized design for extra space, allowing you to unwind in style. 15. Wheeler Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set Travel Organizer. The Wheeler Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set Travel Organizer helps keep your campsite organized by storing all your cooking utensils in one convenient place. This compact organizer fits easily into your backpack and ensures that you have everything you need for cooking meals in the great outdoors. 16. LEADALLWAY Camping Table. Another practical camping table option is the LEADALLWAY Camping Table, which folds flat for easy transport and storage. This lightweight table unfolds to provide a stable surface for preparing meals or playing games. 17. Boyne Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The Boyne Camping Cookware Mess Kit is an all-in-one set that includes everything you need for cooking and serving meals outdoors. The pots, pans, plates, and utensils nest together for compact storage, making it easy to pack and transport. 18. X2 Collapsible Portable LED Camping Lantern. The X2 Collapsible Portable LED Camping Lantern is a versatile lighting solution that features multiple brightness settings to suit your needs. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store, and the bright LED light illuminates your surroundings for safe and enjoyable camping. 19th, Hitwellman Camping Fan. Stay cool on hot camping trips with the Hitwellman Camping Fan. This portable fan offers multiple speed settings and can be powered by batteries or USB, ensuring that you stay comfortable even in warm weather. 20. Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. The Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet is more than just a trendy accessory. It's a compact, multifunctional survival tool designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts. Woven from military-grade 550-pound paracord, this bracelet can be unraveled in emergencies to provide several feet of durable cordage. The paracord can be used for a variety of purposes, such as building shelters, making a splint, securing gear, or even setting traps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest tech gear and outdoor gadgets. And make sure to ring the bell icon so you never miss an update.